What's up, YouTube? This is the Birdman on a wintry walk. This is my neighborhood. There's a car struggling to get by here, and it is January 26th, and I'm supposed to get like 10 inches, I think. And we got, check out those trees, yo. Shit, man, this is awesome. I hate cold weather, but this still makes up for it. You can do it. Dude, the shuttle from the train station to here gets stuck. I think everyone's stuck. Dude, last year's storm was supposed to be worse than this, but I don't remember this many people getting stuck. I mean, check this out. People are like parked here. That's not even a parking space. This guy almost ran me over. Shit, man, I'm about to fall over. Check that out. I've got all this shit. There's the sidewalk. What's left of the sidewalk? Alright, let's take a look at the main road. Dude, the tree's falling all the way down here. It's the main road. Trees going all the way to the ground. Got people driving like 2 miles an hour. Oh, man. I have a feeling this guy's gonna get stuck too. The entrance to the apartments. This is just one of the entrances. Dude, the traffic light way back there. It's pretty far. What's up?
You need a ride?
Oh no, I'm good. I'm just
taking pictures.
Such nice people. Thanks for offering me a ride, asshole. Nah, I don't need a ride. Sorry about my heavy breathing, but walking through all this shit, it's harder. It takes more effort than walking on regular sidewalk. The entrance to the Washingtonian Tower. Oh, check that out. Look at all them trees. That's nice. Oh, dude. Even the bus is going through here. The bus doesn't go through this road. The bus usually goes through the road behind here, which is kind of like the secondary main road. But I think that conditions are so bad that it has to go through here. Oh, wait a minute. That was the 74. 74 stops running at like 7:30, I think. It's like 7:30 right now, I think. Check it out. More stuck people. Yet another guy had to get out. Looks like he's calling his fellow neighbor for assistance. Dude. And I gotta work at 7 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. Hopefully that can be postponed, if not cancelled. Dude. Check that out. Alright, here's the next complex. I will be right back. Hey Richard, who am I? Hi, I want a job application.
Okay.
You're gonna have to speak to the manager, and you're gonna have to not videotape me, because it's like against our privacy laws. Oh, by the way guys, this is cheese. Fresh from the source. Doesn't that look yummy? Alright, so I am with Bitchard here.
He's jacking off his phone. No,
Who's
really.
jacking off his phone.
No, really.
And
Do you have any clear tape at your house?
Yeah, but not on me. Alright, check this out. This is his courtyard. It's
Do you have a Tumblr or something?
awesome. What do you mean a Tumblr?
Why aren't you blogging?
I'm posting this on YouTube.
Oh. I guess I should have known that.
Dude, I'm old school, man.
you know cool.
I have a phone from like 2006.
You know how funny?
Oh shit.
You know how funny his Tumblr must be, Al?
What?
You know how funny his Tumblr must be?
How funny of what?
His Tumblr must be.
Who?
Corey, he actually has it.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I didn't even know what Tumblr was until you just told me.
So it's basically a blogging site.
Yeah, like blog.
Except it's like a legitimate blog site. Like you write in your journal for everyone else to read.
Dude, all this is supposed to be a sidewalk, and it's supposed to be much more wide set than this. Yo, here's the pool.
Hey, we should go swimming.
hey, yeah, we should go freeze to death. Which I pretty much am already doing. Shit, my mom's calling me. Alright, let's go through here. Alright, so coming back out where I was originally coming from earlier in the video. Oh shit. I guess that guy's stuck. Up. Dude, that road is like not even plowed. And I think that lady's like telling him to like plow or drive or something. Snowplow, like, it's plowed this area. Yeah, earlier this, like when I was walking here, this road wasn't plowed. Yeah, that's probably a better idea. We got a risk of cars hitting us. Dude, is that car stuck or something? It's just like standing there. Ah, shit. Let's see the other side. That's the main road. Check that out. That's the old abandoned silo slash farmhouse slash house. And this area is going to be developed within a couple of years. But yeah. And then here we got development. Fire hydrant, pole, whatever the hell that thing is. Holy shit, look at this. That's pretty deep. This is deeper than it looks on camera. Dude, the snow plowers like really messed this area up. There's like no way cars can get in here without four-wheel drive. Yeah, let's go through here. Oh shit. Dude, this is like at least 10 inches here. Not as bad as last year, but still pretty bad compared to the average winter here. Oh, dude, check this tree out. Dude, Richard, check out this tree. That's pretty sweet. Hold on, I'm gonna cut the camera off really quickly and take a picture of this. Alright, so back to the video. This is the sweet tree that I was just mentioning. And my camera is low on battery. So, at any minute now, the video can just shut off. Alright, but I'm almost home. Oh, hold on, I have to make a quick stop to my cousin's to get a shovel. Alright, so this is the building where my cousin lives, and this is the back way. I came in through here, so now I'm going the back way to go to my home. My home's like really close by. Just want to show you the back way. It's pretty cool. Alright, let's start walking. Yeah, I went to my cousin's to pick up the shovel here. I gotta go to work tomorrow at 7 a.m. Might as well have a shovel. I can take my car out. And apparently the low battery warning isn't on anymore. Shit, there's no footprints or anything. So this is gonna be harder to walk through. Oh man, shit. Snow getting in my shoes. Storm drain is that little dent there. Back view of this Washingtonian Tower. Hold on, I gotta get a picture of this. Alright, so the low battery sign came back on. So better hurry home. Dude, there's like snow falling from the trees. Alright, my home, after we pass this trees and the next building entrance, should be home free. Damn, these trees are so damn low. Alright, these are the cars in front of my building. Shit, man, I haven't seen these trees so low in a long time. Branches are usually way up. Alright, here we are. That's the tree right outside my room. And there's my building. Sweet. Check that out. Alright, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, one more thing. This is the sidewalk right in front of my building. Probably can't see well on the camera, but a lot of texture here. Yeah. Alright, see y'all later.